Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Strava app, a favorite among runners, cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts. Is it still the go-to app for tracking workouts in 2024? Let's find out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Main content. Strava has built a reputation as the ultimate app for athletes, and for good reason. Its GPS tracking is incredibly accurate, allowing you to record your runs, bike rides, and even hikes with ease. Whether you're training for a marathon or just enjoying a weekend ride, Strava's detailed metrics like distance, pace, elevation, and heart rate give you everything you need to track your progress. One of the standout features is the community aspect. You can join clubs, compete on leaderboards, and give kudos to your friends' activities. This social element is a game changer for motivation, as it pushes you to challenge yourself and stay consistent. For cyclists and runners, Strava's segments feature is where it shines. It allows you to compete on specific stretches of road or trail, compare your times to others, and even try to snag a KOM King of the Mountain title. In 2024, Strava has improved its segment maps and added more personalization options to help you discover popular routes. Strava also integrates well with fitness devices like Garmin, Apple Watch, and Fitbit, making it easy to sync all your workouts. Plus, features like route planning and training insights help take your fitness to the next level. That said, some advanced features like training plans and heat maps are locked behind the Strava Premium subscription, which might be a downside for casual users. Conclusion. So, is Strava still the best fitness tracker for runners and cyclists in 2024? Absolutely. Its accurate tracking, competitive features, and strong community make it hard to beat. While the free version is solid, upgrading to Premium unlocks even more tools for serious athletes. What do you think of Strava? Are you using it for your training? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next one.